hard time hearing the starting note, remember my voice is different than yours, it's a little higher. Just do your best. This is great ear training. Starting here. Trills. We're going to do the same thing, but on a lip trill. If you can't do a lip trill, you can hum, that's fine, or do an NG sound. Really make sure it's a sloppy slide. Starting down here, basses. Here we go. Just on one note, you're going to do mi, me, ma, mo, mu, but all on the same note. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Make sure your tongue is relaxed on the back of your bottom teeth. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu, mi. There's a little bit of a lift to every single one. Mi, May. Tongue is relaxed. Ma's got a little smile in the cheeks. Ma, mo, moo. And really, basses, make sure you're taking adequate breaths. Not too huge, not up here. Nice, relaxed, powerful, low breaths. Here we go. Starting on F2, and we're doing mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Really make sure the lips are showing us what vowel you're doing. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Don't forget to open your mouth. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. 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 Mi, Okay, just the right amount of air here. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Lift those eyebrows. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Nice breath. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Little higher. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Lift those eyebrows. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Couple more. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Mi, me, ma, mo, mu. Very nice. Let's do another sloppy slide, okay? You're doing ma. Ma. You're sliding. Here we go. Bright smile. In the cheeks, drop the jaw. Voice change here to your mid-range. Think a little more in the nasal here. Here we go. A little brighter. Nice. We're gonna do oi, 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 oi. Still a nice O shape, a little relaxed. Boy, oi, 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 oi. We want the tongue in the back to do the work. Boy, oi, 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 oi. We're training our tongue. Your tongue is so important to your sound. We want to have control of it, meaning relax it. So this is training it in the back there too. Relax, flex on the Y, then relax, push it forward on the back of your bottom teeth. Oi, 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 oi. Now we're going to slide from E to O. We want to practice sliding into our mixed voice or just sliding through our registers, and E to O really helps us do that. So think about that transition from E, relaxed tongue, to O, still relaxed tongue but more open back here. E, O, E. Starting there, breathe. Really sloppy slide. In your mid-range now. Open up. A little higher. Stay grounded in your breath. Thread the needle. One more. Gorgeous. All right, this one's bouncy. It's bringing out our resonators a little bit. No, 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 no. That nice lower note's gonna open us up, and then we need to transition and lighten it up as we go. No, 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 no. All right, but basses, here we go. We're gonna start here. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. This is my personal favorite. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know how loud that sounds to you on your end, but it should be gentle. We're massaging those chords, and you really want to capture threading the needle. It's great for finding your mix. It's great for finding the inner rocker or the inner pop star in you subtly here. But it also just feels really good and is great to slide on through that mixed voice and throughout your range find the clarity with the meow, okay? Meow, 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 but in your range. Meow, 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 meow. Starting there and we're going down. A little smile on the cheeks again. Meow, 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 meow. All right, and just do a nice siren, so as low as you can to as high as you can, and then back down, really sloppy, really slidey. Do that a couple of times, and you are good to go, my friend. Have a great day. Happy singing.